Now we just need to know how to clean and look after your menstrual cup. So when you're still on your period, you just need to rinse the cup out. You can just do that with water. There is no need to clean it any more than that. After that, you can just do your fold and reinsert it. At the end of your period, it's advisable to sterilise your cup so that it's ready to use when you start your next period. Some kits come with sterilising pots like these, which just pop open. What you'll do is fill that sterilising pot with water, put your menstrual cup inside, put the lid on, and you put it in the microwave for 2 to 3 minutes, as it says on the pot. If you don't have a sterilising pot, you can just use any pot that you have at home to put it in the microwave. Or if you don't have a microwave, you can just boil water on the stove. Boil the water and put the cup in the water for 5 minutes so that it boils away and sterilises it. To maintain your cup, you can use sterilising solution, as this can help extend the life of your cup, but it's not always necessary to do that. Once you've cleaned it, pop it back in the bag it came with, and then have it ready for your next period.